Hi guys, I'm Tessie.
I'm Titi.
Well, we're going to take you guys to explore 100 places in Xi'an, and today we're at Shuyuanmen. Okay, I like this one. Happy wife, happy life.
Bigger than you. Bigger than you.
Check out this little cute stamp. So you can put your name on the bottom and also get your own signatures like this. Well, now we're almost halfway of this pedestrian street. Well, as you guys can see, there are so many different stores on both sides, right?
Yeah.
And we saw so many handicrafts like jewelries for bracelets or hair clasps, which I think is super beautiful. And also we get to experience some handwork, which like we did just now.
Yeah.
I wrote Ping An on this fan, which means safe.
绝世美女.
Where is your fan?
Give me my 绝世美女.
Yeah.
It means pretty girl. Pretty girl.
In the world, right?
Yeah, I'm pretty
Yeah,
girl.
this is super interesting. You have to try this when you come to Xi'an.
Okay, I will waiting you for Xi'an. Come with us. Yeah, pretty girl. Pretty girl.
Hi Chichi. Well, how do you think of this street? Do you like it?
Very pretty and science. I like it. How do you think?
Well, I definitely love it here because it gives some beautiful traditional Chinese culture here, right? And also it doesn't have like a lot of people, but it is a commercial street. Well, as you guys can see, there are tons of great and also cute little things, which is affordable as well. You can get something for yourself, for your family, or your friends when you visit here. So, welcome to Xi'an, welcome to Shuyuanmen.
Yeah, welcome.
Okay, see you guys next time. Bye.
Wow.
Goodbye.